Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Etisam. So this is the construct week of 2 unit at Masai School. So in this unit, we have to clone a website that name is Banggood. It is an e-commerce website and where we can easily sell or buy. So without wasting our time, I would like to introduce our teammates Hers and Naresh and Subham and Pradeep. So I would like to Hers to speak about homepage. So over to you, Hers.
Thanks, Matt. So when we visit any website, the one and only most important thing is our home page, right? It should be beautiful and functional. So let's get into this. One of the most important things in our website is the sidebar. So we can switch pages from here, right? So let's go on sidebar. When you visit our website first time, you have to sign in, right? So enter your email address, enter password, check your two boxes, and then create account, right? And and then with the same email address, you have to go on that page, right? So after signing, you will come to home page, right? So and then here is a neo bar, right? So you can search here like man, women, and all the thing, right? And if you search type women and search that all the things which women can buy is that will be shown on our website, right? And and then on the left side there is a simple new thing which come in our store newly, right? So you can uh, you can go there men and women, right? So our very functional homepage, right? So now my colleague Pratik Kumar will explain.
Hello. Yes, we have three main pages: men, women, and shoes. As we will navigate to main pages, uh, uh, we can see that on the left side of the website, it has been shown that all the categories has been shown, and all these images are the contents of the main web page. We can see that all these images are there. Now we have to navigate towards women's one. Okay, go to women's web page. As we can see that similar to men's web page, the women's web page is also there. We can see that different categories are there. We can see that all these things have been displayed in the bottom. All these prices have been displayed there. Now we can also sort it by price or by category. Now we can go to our next web page, which is shoes. Yeah, similar to men, women, this is also there, and we can see that there are different type of categories are shown in the left hand side of the web page. We can go further down. We can see that there are different types of shoes are there, of different materials are there. Okay, all these things are there is a mention of price as well as strike of price. Now I would like to hand it over to my friend Naresh for further.
Thank you, Pratik. Please add to cart some items. Okay, you can directly. So when you, if you want to buy something, you can add to cart, and the things add to cart is shown here. So here is the price and the items itself. If you see the total price of, we can provide you here total price. If you don't have coupon, you can directly proceed to the payment. But if you have coupon, you can click here. And in the down section, we can provide you the code. You can write a promo code like Masai 30, and you will get a discount, and you can redirect it to the payment page. So now next part explained by my friend Shubham. Over to you, Shubham.
Yeah, thanks, Naresh. So in this page, you can see there is an option like the shipping address and the payment gateway. If you fill your details in the shipping address and save it, you will direct it, and you have to then go to the payment gateway. Here you have to fill your details of your debit cards, and you have to validate those. Validate. Okay. After that, if the details are correct, it will verify it, and the OTP will be sent to your registered email ID. and you will be redirected to the OTP verification. Here you have to verify the you have to enter the OTP and make a payment. And if the OTP is correct, then payment successful pop-up will shown, and your order will be placed, and you will be redirected to the my order page. Here you can see the whatever items you have ordered along with its price and the delivery status. And this is all about the user flow. It is very smooth and simple for the all kind of users, and it is very helpful for the people for buying, purchasing very easily. This is all from our side. Thank you very much.